Okay, good morning. We're back from the mountain farmhouse. Had a great time. Had a bit of a problem about the singing, but we had a great time still. Great food, great company. Now we're back here, back to work. Doing nothing, but we're gonna do a bit of work on the bathroom, especially the floor or other things. Let's get into work. I have to edit my last video from the mountain farmhouse. There was some copyright stuff, which is not fair because it's karaoke. It's not original content, so. But I can't do otherwise because otherwise it takes 30 days or more to fix it, and I don't want that. I need the money now. I don't want to be penalized. Hello, guys. Just come and checking on you. Is everything okay? You being good boy and girl? Okay. Okay. Okay, this is how far I went. It's a slow process, but anyway. So we're gonna have lunch and then finish it off. After that we'll paint it, but maybe I need to wait a little bit for this epoxy to dry. Maybe I can only paint tomorrow, I'll see. Probably better. Okay, I'll have a go. We're gonna have lunch now. Jam having fun with the puppy up there. She bring all them here in the sun to get some sun baking. It's good for their fur.
Later, I'm gonna give them bath. And this one, what are you doing there, baby boy? Baby boy.
Amy is good, easy to look after. Just feed.
You jealous?
You jealous, my love? Oh, no, she's not.
I love Mimi.
No, careful.
Layan si Mimi boy, ano, sulay.
No.
You robot! Anak ka Mimi boy.
Very hungry. Poor Lily. I'll let you go after. Okay, let's continue with the epoxy job. It's not much to be done here. And a little bit here. Okay, hold on. Tomorrow, hopefully it's dry. We'll do a bit of a painting, but we'll see. It's got to be dry for sure. I may have to do a bit of a sanding too. Some places may be a little bit too much. We'll see. Okay, that's it. Today we get up late because yesterday party. So I didn't have to do much, just the caulking in the bathroom, that's it. I have to wait to dry. Next step will be painting. I got a waterproof paint, I will show you. And then once it's all dry, we tile the bottom and the floor with a black tile. Let the puppy go out. Here we are. Hello. Hello. They follow mommy, but you already eat.
You're gonna pee there. That's...
Hey guys, who told you to come here?
I'm sure you're gonna pee.
No. He's so cute. Lily. Look at those two up there. They didn't dare come in. Hello. So cute. Stay small like this. No, don't go there, you.
Oh my god! It's the ants!
You need to get fresh air, get a bit of a sun. We put him in the sun yesterday, just before.
Come here.
We put him in the sun this morning. They loved it. Ah, you start. The last one up there is not really courageous.
That's a boy.
Oh, come on, boy.
That's
Show
the
the ladies how good you are. No. Look at the one up there. Doesn't they coming down? Come on, chicken.
Love puppies. Ow, 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 ow.
Alright, that's it for today. Tomorrow more to do. Yeah, good morning. We have two beautiful sunny days, thanks God, so we could go to the mountain farmhouse. And now it's raining again. That's okay, heaps to do today. Let's go. But first, breakfast. Oh, funny girl. Before the painting, you can see there's some like a high spot after the thing dry, and you can flatten that with a sander, which I start doing here, and it's pretty good. Very smooth, flat. So that's what you need to do. So the towel will stick nice and flat. Let's continue. got a visit from Jennifer and Roel.
Ya kita na nagbibisita, imbis kita magbisita niya.
I haven't seen them for a long while, so nice to see them.
Yes.
And they got a little girl.
We should be the one visit them.
Yeah, just say
At
hello.
house? Okay. But the little girl, I have to admit, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you can visit
Don't be
her
offended.
anytime.
Looks like him.
Looks like him.
Yeah.
Oh,
The
So
girl
that's good. He
version.
doesn't have to do a DNA test.
Yeah.
He's the father, 100% for sure.
I want na.
No problem at all.
No, because you know I said that because I had a comment in my YouTube channel. I said, oh, you should do a DNA test. Disgusting, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
So I'll take it as a joke now.
Yes.
Maliwat sa
Later
pano.
on.
Pero,
She's
mait
crying
naman.
sometimes.
Look at my girl. She look like mommy and daddy.
Yeah.
She's getting prettier and prettier and bigger and naughtier and naughtier. Yeah, baby.
We're getting less sleep now.
Huh?
We're getting less sleep.
Yeah.
With,
Kung ano yung ikon babuar?
Oh, Bella is going with Roel. Yeah.
pretty good.
Na lang yung lipo kayo din yung. Babay naman, lakaw naman.
But no me. It's too early. Cheers.
Yeah, give it to me. Cheers.
Hi, babe.
I just put my hearing aids to see if I can hear Roel, and he speaks so loud.
No.
I need to wear all the time, mostly, so my hearing get used to it. So I
Maybe you
put
can put it
now.
lower. Maybe you can put it a little bit lower. Maybe you can put the sound lower.
The lower volume.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's too loud. Mommy, no me. Oh my God, you!
I'm sick.
Be careful.
Maybe I'll be it.
It's the weather.
Yeah. Very
Cold, hot, cold. Because you don't smoke. You're like me. You don't smoke.
Up and down, yes.
But
You're
I
getting
cough.
better and then you're getting sick again. Never stopping.
Don't take too much antibiotics. No good. It's better cure naturally. Let it go naturally.
Can walk already.
Jem's gone to Free Lily because she's so noisy barking.
Pwede rin ako di ay mo dulong sa inyong balay, Inday.
Where she's going now? You put on YouTube.
You're here now.
Dili ko na talaga sa pagkuan ka nung uli mo tong bantay niya.
Okay, this is Dev is a popular brand here in Philippines and other country, I'm sure. They're very popular here, so you can find easily Lazada or even any hardware store. Don't ask me how much I paid for it. I forgot. Maybe 600 pesos, something like that. It's dark white, but doesn't matter because I'm going to use this as a waterproof paint. It is a waterproof paint, and I'm going to do all the low side of the wall there, all around, and the floor. Now let's do that. Let it dry and then give another coat later. And then do the floor as well, 2 coat. Okay, that's it. The floor is ready now to be tiled. Although I need to for the pan to dry, and I'm not going to film that. So we'll leave that until tomorrow morning, yeah? And see how we go. Okay, that's it today for the bathroom. Can't get in there now, do anything, so we'll check tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care, God bless you all. Bye bye.